Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. For today's video, we're going to discuss about the nature, goals, and perspective of anthropology, political science, and sociology. That is our topic for today. But before that, let us define anthropology. Anthropology is the study, analysis, and description of humanity's past and present. Nature of anthropology. The nature of anthropology can be viewed from its historical perspective because it is a global discipline involving humanities, social sciences, and natural sciences. Goals of anthropology is to comprehend the fossil record of early people and their precursors, just as the archaeological record of later ancient social orders, and to understand how we adapt to different environmental conditions and how we vary as a species. Perspective of anthropology. The key anthropological perspectives are holism, relativism, comparison, and fieldwork. There are also both scientific and humanistic tendencies within the discipline that, at times, conflict with one another. Holism. Anthropologists are keen in all mankind, in how different parts of life connect. One can't completely see the value in being human by contemplating a solitary part of our mind-boggling narratives, dialects, bodies, or social orders. By utilizing a comprehensive methodology, anthropologists request how various angles from human existence impact each other. Cultural relativism. The possibility that we should try to comprehend someone else's convictions and practices according to the viewpoint of their way life as opposed to our own. Anthropologists don't pass judgment on different societies dependent on their qualities, nor do they see alternate methods of getting things done as second rate. All things being equal, anthropologists try to comprehend individuals' convictions inside the framework they have for clarifying things. Comparison. In cultural anthropology, we compare ideas, morals, practices, and systems within or between cultures. We might compare the roles of men and women in different societies, or contrast how different religious groups conflict within a given society. Fieldwork. In cultural anthropology, fieldwork is alluded to as ethnography, which is both the interaction and after effect of social anthropological examination. Sociology is the scientific investigation of human culture and social behavior. Sociology is a discipline and in social sciences concerned about a human society and human social activities. Nature of sociology. As a discipline, sociology arose early in the 19th century response to rapid social change. Major transformations in the 18th and 19th centuries, such as industrializations resulting in large anonymous workforce. Sociology has created as a worth-free discipline. It is concerned with this, not with what should be. A sociologist examines society from various points and obtains information about society and examples of social associations. Goals of sociology is to understand how membership in one social group affects individual being, understand the causes and consequences of social change in terms of general causes and effects as well as unique historical circumstances, and to provide information that reflects upon different policy initiatives. Perspective of sociology. The study of sociology drives us into spaces of that we may somehow have disregarded or misunderstood, since our perspective is formed by our own experience and since individuals with various social encounters have various meanings of social reality. Sociology assists us with liking perspective rather than our own and to see how this perspective appeared. Political science is the study of the nature, causes, and consequences of collective decisions and actions taken by groups of people embedded in cultures and institutions that structure power and authority. Nature of political science. Political science is in this way an investigation of the state in past, present, and future of the political organization, political cycles, and political functions of political establishments and political theories. Political science has a few subfields including political hypothesis, public policy, public legislative issues, worldwide relations, human rights, natural governmental issues, and near-legislative issues. Goals of political science is to concern with the process of growth, industrialization, and change and the impact on government forms and policies, and is to describe how various political systems function and to find more effective political systems, and is to measure the process of governance and specific policies by examining many factors including stability, justice, and material wealth. Perspective of political science is a methodologically diverse and appropriates many methods originating in psychology, social research, and cognitive neuroscience.